One good thing-nya siapa? Grup 5 ya, persiapan untuk grup 6. Siapa di situ yang belum tanya? Persiapan grup 6 ya. Grup 6 di sini yang belum bertanya, ayo one good thing siapa? Belum kebagian dari tadi. Kamu only 6 bukan. Oke, siap untuk group 6 ya. Oke. Time is yours.
Shalom everyone. We are from group 5. Okay, before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Novi.
My name is Gracelia.
My name is Yosi.
And my name is Aura.
Okay, this learning media to students who has at the 5 years old,
Fokus dulu ya.
which is the 5 years old student beginning to recognize letters and simple words, likes to ask why and curious about many things. Then students who at 5 years old able to follow 2 until 3 steps instructions in sequence. Next, can retell a simple story in a correct order, and the last is able to express feelings with words, but may still experience mild tantrums like that.
Okay, so our learning media is feelings plate and emotions card. Why we choose this learning media as a teacher from group 5? We choose because we want their parents can make this learning media also in their house, so students can learn from their house again. Okay, and the second one is the first type. It's the first, so parents can make this learning media also in their house. And the second is we want to students can develop their 6 domain. So the first domain is religion and moral. This is so with this learning media, students can help students to understand emotions are God's gifts. So they can respond their feelings in a good way according to teaching of Jesus Christ. So they can understand the concept of love, patience, and then forgiveness and self-control. And the second domain is cognitive. So this learning media can help students to recognize and identify various emotions through pictures and games, relate their feelings to real situations experienced daily, and understand the relationship between feelings. And the third is psychomotor. So this learning media can help students practice hand-eye coordinations through activities of arranging, picking up, and showing emotion cards or plates, while students learn to express emotions through their facial and their body movement or body language.
Alright, the next domain is about language. Okay, when language, in domain language, to building children's emotion communication skill through vocabulary introduction, meaning comprehension, like appropriate language use, and you can see like association with facial expressions and descriptive language development. And the next domain is about social emotional. It means to help children to building their social emotional skills by encouraging exploration, understanding, and reflection or on the emotions, both in themselves to others and others. while developing empathy, acceptance of emotions, and the ability to share in a safe environment. Okay, next.
And then the last domain is, and then the last domain is in art development. When the children use these tools, the children can development their art domain because these tools help them to recognize, understand, and express their emotion in a fun and visual way. And then those tools allow children to associate emotion and in shape and color by drawing or coloring based on how they are feel, and this is featuring different facial expressions that help children identify their emotion and then can process their emotion more deeply while fostering the awareness and expression in emotion.
Okay, so we go to how make the our learning media. So honestly, our learning media is two. So I would tell the first one is feelings plate. The tools and material we use is plastic plate, scissor, glue, paper, makers, and coloring tools. This emotion that we create is green. Light green is for disgust. Pink is for contentment. The blue is for sad.
Orange.
Red for anger. Dark green for surprise. Brown for fear. Yellow is for happy. Orange for oh itu dia frustration. Yeah, we make a different color so student can know the different color to different emotion. The step for feelings plate is this feeling. First, cut the origami, make the shape, make the circle, and then the second one is draw with the black spidol, and then stick to the plate like that, and then make the apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya, panahnya untuk menunjuk agar membuat spin wheel gitu berputar, lalu make the tumpuannya, setelah itu bikin penutupnya agar dia bisa berputar. Jadi jadinya seperti ini. Lalu yang kedua itu ada emotion card. Emotion card we make it simple. So we just print the emotion card and then we cut the cardboard and then we cover it with HPS and then we stick it to print emotion. This is the finished one, and then
Okay, so this thing, how we can use these tools in the classroom is that first, as you can see, these tools can be used as how we introduce the student about how to recognize their emotion, and then we can make them like matching the expression based on this like for example we will ask the student to spin the feeling spread, like for example we will spin it and then we will ask what do you think about this emotion, and then the children will say about their thought, like for example they think this is a frustrated expression, and then we will ask the children when you are feeling frustrated, when are the time when you are feeling frustrated, like why are you feeling it, so they can recognize their feelings. And when using this emotion card, we will like for example choose a random page from a book. For example we will choose this random page, and then the children will see the page, like we will just explain about it likely to them, like there are a person here and there are a lion here. You can choose from the emotion card, like what do you feel when you are this person and see a lion in front of you. Like for example they will choose like they will searching, and then they will for example choose this one. Then we will ask them like why they are feeling that way, like why they are feeling nervous when see the lion, and then we can ask them to role play, like they role play this face, like for example you are the person here and you are seeing the lion in front of you and you feeling nervous, how are you going to act it in, like, how are you going to role play it?
Mau panggil students langsung coba ya.
Group 6 can try. Okay, so honestly our main activity is storytelling. And then when parents or teacher finish their storytelling, they ask, how do you feel when you hear that story like that? But we don't have time, so we just give a sentence.
We use one like to make the children recognize their feeling in some scenario. Like, for example, you can choose what then
Are you spinning first? No. It's different.
It's
Mau pakai yang mana dulu? Pakai yang mana? Berarti
if you choose this one, then you can open a random page.
Yang question sama putih udah
There
sekian.
are a person person touch white the page. What do you think she is feeling?
she's feeling sad and she's crying.
So, you can act as if you are this person.
Next, maybe you can, okay.
Jawaban ini ya. Jadi
Itu tuh konsepnya di bawah atau di atas?
di bawah.
Oke.
Terus depan takutnya kelihatan ya. Jadi nanti kamu spin emoji ini, terus nanti kalau misalnya dapat sesuatu kamu coba spin dulu. Satu, dua, tiga, ya spin. Nah, itu containment. Jadi kamu coba jelasin kalau misal apa yang kamu rasakan, kamu merasakan containment ketika apa?
Jadi pertanyaan
Jadi-
dari guru.
Iya, pertanyaan itu. Jadi kalau misalnya dia dapat emosinya, nanti habis itu mereka ngejelasin, mereka bakal ngerasain emosi ini kalau mereka kenapa gitu. Komitmen itu kepuasan.
When you feel like proud of yourself,
When
and you
you
like
are like with a high score in a quiz,
style.
maybe because I get ice cream.
Wow, I
Wow.
see. Okay, thank you. Next,
What?
you can choose. This is okay.
Oh,
Okay.
oh. Sisi aja. It's sometimes.
It's about the disciples meet Jesus. What do you feel?
If you are the disciple
Disciples.
and you meet Jesus Christ,
What do you feel? Angry?
happy.
Happy.
Why you feel happy?
Because I met Jesus.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
In Christ
How
alone.
will you choose? Okay.
You can spill.
Good. Yeah. She get angry. Okay.
Jadi kamu bakal marah kalau kamu kenapa?
Harusnya mana? Iya ya, kalau di kambing coy.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
Oke, kembalikan ke
Coba lihat.
slide pertama,
Ini yang
baru kamu
bertanya.
freeze ya. Slide pertama freeze, persiapan. Oke, one good thing dulu sama question, silakan untuk grup 5.
One good things, ini alat peraga ya? Alat peraga kan? Learning media yang sifatnya interaktif, dimana kan gurunya harus ini dulu kan, kayak benar-benar menuntun kan. So it's a good things, and also how you guys like mencoba untuk mencangkupkan semua domain itu ke dalam 2 learning media.
Okay. Thank you.
Jadi question dari aku.
Apa?
Yes.
Iya.
Jadi kan ternyata itu tuh 2 permainan yang berbeda.
Ya.
Nah, itu maksudnya jadi yang aku lihat itu tuh bisa dimainkan anak-anak tuh gimana ya bilangnya, itu tuh jadi kalau misalkan anak-anak mau main nih dan mereka ketemu dengan itu bisa gimana ya bilangnya sih, tunggu dulu, maksudnya gambling gitu loh nanya.
Keyword.
Jadi itu kan, nah anak-anak itu tuh gimana caranya biar mereka tahu cara memainkannya. Jadi kayak itu kan 2 permainan yang berbeda. Jadi
Dan ini kan masih guru pimpin kan, maksudnya kamu kapan saatnya anak-anak main sendiri gitu. Siapa yang belum bertanya? Oke, gimana? Ya. Ayo. Oke, kita perhatikan ke depan dulu ya.
Okay, the question is about how students can use this learning media by themselves, right? Okay, without instruction from teachers. Okay. For the explanation, this learning media, it's how about teachers can communication can berhubungan, how to teachers can building their relationship with students. It means especially this feelings pet, teachers must be the instructor for the students. Nah, in class biasanya we use in the beginning of the class. It means the teacher asks their children's feeling, their students' feeling, like using this feelings plan.
Is it like in another sessions like the students cannot access this, or like is it open for the students?
open for students, but the teacher must be the instructor.
Remember ya, I already talked with you like remember APE that you make everything. Just leave it. What you have to imagine like if you leave it alone, is it benefit for the student or not? So that's one of criteria that you have to think. Like if you explaining and create something, tapi kalau pada ujungnya anak-anak nggak bisa sendiri, ya kembali ke penjelasan saya yang awal, scaffolding apa nih yang akan kamu tinggalkan untuk mereka bisa berguna sendiri di situ. Tapi kalau dari penjelasan kamu kan memang betul mau bangun bonding dan lain-lain memang betul, tapi apakah media itu hanya dibuat hanya untuk di awal bonding? Konsep kalian gimana?
Sebenarnya Bu, jadi kalau misalnya film study ini juga bisa dipakai kalau misalnya mau ditinggalkan sendiri itu jadi ketika teman bermain itu mereka sebenarnya sama aja kayak yang tadi yang kelompok tadi lakukan. Jadi mereka bisa seakan-akan kayak role play, karena kan anak-anak kecil itu suka banget role play. Jadi mereka itu role play tentang emosi mereka gitu. Cuma memang mungkin kami kekurangan di bagian memberitahu gimana caranya mereka untuk
Step by stepnya,
ya.
Posternya harus ada, apa di situ harus ada, dia harus ngapain dengan ini. Lalu ini juga bisa dikebukin di temannya. Ini bahannya begitu ya, safety itu harus diperhatikan. Ya, jadi waktu kamu pilih alat dan bahan untuk di kelasmu benar-benar pastikan. Kan tadi konsepnya kalian piring plastik. Nah ini kan bukan plastik, ini bukan bahan plastik, ini bahan namanya melamen ya, bahan piring yang dan ini keras loh. Kamu teman aja keras, bisa digetok pala temannya pakai ini yang kamu nggak lihat gitu kan. Kenapa nggak buat di suatu kertas atau cardbox yang besar, tapi tetap dibilang apa circle, feeling apa gitu. Kalau konsepnya piring itu yang perlu diperhatikan ya. Sama concern dari pertanyaan kamu itu, ya ini PR kalian nanti waktu micro teaching gimana caranya. Kalau anak-anak pas mau coba sendiri instruksinya apa? Kalau hanya begini kan berarti apa? Entah itu ada posternya atau card instruksinya yang dilaminating kan. First apa? Spin, and then you can ask the other player. Itulah yang perlu dipikirkan sintaks pembelajaran yang besar itu. Jadi sintaks gamenya, prosedur melakukan gamesnya ya. Lalu misalnya kayak gini, tadi konsepnya udah bagus, pakai buku. Tapi kan nggak mungkin semua buku ada peristiwa. Jadi kalau saran saya yang kayak tadi ke yang rumah ya, kalau rumah tadi kan ada kartu angka. Kalau kalian berarti kalian harus ada tools pendamping, yaitu kartu cerita, pecahan-pecahan cerita yang random aja ceritanya. Jadi waktu mereka pick the card, how do they feel? Jadi ada ini player 1 pick the card, player 2 apa, terus nanti mereka bisa ambil dari boxnya emotion, lalu mereka tell something. Nah itu harus perlu diperhatikan. Intinya semua media baik dari yang tadi kelompok 1 sampai kelompok 5 sudah presentasikan adalah kalian belajar bertumbuh berefleksi ya, bahwa ketika kita merancang sesuatu di dalam kelas harus pikirkan semua hal, aspek safety, bagaimana anak-anak bisa running tanpa ada kamu gitu di area. Dan tentu kan di dalam kelas ada area-areanya. Kamu nanti setelah mengajar nih, I will put it in literacy center. So if anyone interested and you want to try later on, you can visit literasi corner, literasi sentra atau area di sini ya. Kalian bisa coba seperti itu. Itu harus diberikan dari awal waktu kamu mulai memperkenalkan media tersebut. Ya, cool. Tepuk tangan dulu. Dokumentasi. Ya, bless you. Ya, kita 2 kelompok lagi. Oke, bagian
Oke, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oke, di saya 1, 2. Oke, saya. Oke, yang bertanya dan ini siap ya? Grup 5. Yang bertanya siapa grup 5?